Welcome, in front of me I have MOTOROLA Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I will show you how we can take burst shot when you are using your camera. So you have to simply open the camera and right now just click and hold the shutter. As you can see, in a few seconds we can take a lot of photos. Let's see how many we can get to the maximum. I think it will be around 100. Yeah. So as you can see, in like 10 seconds we can take 100 photos, and if you want to check them, just go for the gallery. And as you can see, there are all of them. So it's useful when you take a photo in the sports event, when people run fast. So we can take a lot of photos and try to find the best shot that you made. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.